Daily beer review time. I score beers out of 100. I am with Aranyani. And this is our fourth beer.
This is our fourth beer, yeah.
It's the Helles Lager from Germany. We are still at Stambha or Stamba, whatever, however you want to
Both
pronounce it.
sounded the same.
I said Stambha.
You should put Stamba in English here and Stamba in Hindi there. I know you're not going to do any of this, but like,
Stamba. Oh, yeah, it's Stamba.
I'm telling you, without the H
Oh, yeah, it's-
written in English,
It's
people would
Stamba.
say stamp. That's why.
Anyways, the German style Helles Lager is a bit rounder or fuller bodied than light lager and even all malt pilsners. Our beer has a strong presence and aroma of banana and clove. Wait, no,
What? No?
because this is a Helles Lager,
Okay.
but banana and clove is like more of a Hefeweizen thing,
Okay.
of like a wheat beer.
Hells is what? Like,
Helles is like it's slightly darker, it's more hoppy.
okay.
But Bavarian wheat beers,
Hmm.
which are Hefeweizens, which have banana and clove, they are like I really love them,
Okay.
but they're kind of different beers. So I don't know. There's some confusion going on over here. But anyway, this is banana and clove offering a touch of sweetness that balances a measurable addition of spicy German hop flavor.
Okay.
Mouthfeel strong with light bitterness, aroma, subtle fruit notes, texture, mild spice and hoppy, buzz level 8 out of 10, price 350. Okay, first of all, I'd like to say ABV is around 5%. Also, I've been saying that it's 330 ml for every beer. Apparently, it's not.
Yeah.
Every beer is a different ml, like
But
the
it
rice.
will vary by like very little.
Yeah, like some beers are 400, some beer are like
Yeah,
more
like
than
50,
330.
50
Like this is
depends.
100% more than 330 ml. Like you can see the glass. But it's like a classic beer glass. Like from all the glasses we've had.
Yeah, this is very
this
beer
is like
glassy.
a beer
Yeah.
glass. Okay?
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
What do you want to do? We'll have a sip and then try the pretzel. They have a nice German pretzel to go. This is, they're doing food pairings, which is great.
You're so sophisticated. You said pretzel. I was going like breadstick. They've given us breadsticks.
Pretzel is not sophisticated, it's just a pretzel. No?
But it's called pretzel. It's not called a breadstick.
They're giving us a fafda. Cheers.
Nice.
I like it. It's light, hoppy. This is not a banana clove beer. I don't know what they've written. This is not a Hefeweizen. It's a Helles Lager. That's what. They're correct in calling it a Helles Lager.
Okay.
It's very hoppy, but
So what hell's का मतलब formulation क्या है?
I guess it's just place.
Oh, okay. So वहाँ पे बनता है.
It's not a specific place, but it's like a German word. Like the Hells in German would mean
Fine,
something.
fine.
Now it's like I don't remember on top of my head exactly. But this is not a like banana. So basically, what happens? I say this in every review now. When they brew beers, they release this chemical things that happen,
Yeah.
which makes it taste like banana and clove for Hefeweizens. Specifically for Hefeweizens.
Like the process, whatever they do, ends up tasting.
like little bit of banana and clove
Okay.
flavors come through it.
But that's not something they're infusing.
They're not infusing.
It happens as a result
It happens as a result of brewing.
Wow, science is so cool, bro.
Amazing, right?
And we are creative, artist people. Yeah, I've so far not even said.
No, but I
that,
feel like craft
I'm a
beer-
write and all that shit. I love it.
We'll get that.
No,
But
fuck
I feel
that.
like craft beers are also very artistic. Like as a chef, but I did a beer review with Mehul, who's a cook in a 3-star Michelin restaurant.
Okay.
Right? He's a proper cook, and it's like a chef has to be artistic because when you create the entire menu, the way you
I mean,
present
you're
the
still
plate.
interpreting the ingredients
Yeah.
and how they would pair with it.
Exactly.
Yeah, for sure.
You're an artist. I think anyone you can work in any job.
No, I
and be
think
an
there's
artist.
art and science and art.
Yeah,
But
100%.
we're here on Monday
But you're
morning.
you're a writer.
No. I'm a writer here on Monday morning. So we can drink and beer.
I think that if you're like an artist, like a painter or an actor or a
As
writer,
an artist.
no, I'm saying one of these, they say creative fields like dancing, singing.
Yeah.
You have more, you can do all of this on a Monday morning, drink beer.
Clearly, I can.
If you're an artist in the business sector of investment banking or making Excel sheets, you can't do all of this.
Yeah, I think making Excel sheets is an art.
It is because I was on this date with this girl and she was explaining how she can use Excel without touching the mouse. Right? Like, that's how you're supposed to use Excel. Is like you have these shortcuts and codes, and you can make all these formulas in Excel without touching the mouse, and that's when you're actually proficient at Excel.
My dad's gonna watch this video for sure. You're
What?
talking about Excel. He loves Excel.
I love Excel.
Yeah.
Excel is amazing.
But dude, listen, anything with Excel or like populating a sheet, my father's great. My father's also a not fan of this channel, but we won't go there.
No, you can go there. Okay, basically, I'll tell you. I give T-Box Strong, which is a good Indian canned beer,
Mass produced.
mass produced. It's supposed to get you drunk, and it's a strong. Yeah, it's not a craft beer, and I gave it a 70, which is a good score. It's a very good score. 70. Like it's
I
not.
think it's decent.
Yeah,
it's just that the man has it every day, so he's like
Yeah.
insult.
See, if you had
if
100,
you're doing something every day, it's gotta be good, dude. So
but
that's
70
his
is good.
logic.
That's my point. 70
I
is
agree.
good.
I agree.
Yeah.
I agree.
Yeah.
But
70
yeah.
is a good score.
I'm enjoying this
I mean, you know what? We'll maybe. Where does he stay now? Where does that stay?
in Goa.
So when I go to Goa again, probably
I think you should do a review
Feb.
with him.
if he's free, yeah.
I think
We'll-
you definitely
we'll
should
take him
do
to
a
a
review
brewery.
with him. Yeah.
And then let's see what he rates every beer.
Yeah, I feel like he'll have some interesting takes on things. He's got a pretty is the word sophisticated palate?
Okay.
Yeah, he'll spend 4 days. Wow, is the lighting getting lighting in?
It's going up and down. Yeah.
My dad will spend like 4 days watching 15,000 YouTube videos just to figure out how to make like butter garlic squids or something. So the man really tries to understand flavor
For your
and
mom.
palate. Huh?
Or
Yeah,
for
I guess
himself.
now for mom. I mean, it used to be for me. I was his inspiration for cooking and everything. Like growing up and all, he used to make breakfast for me and everything. So,
See, guys, learn how to cook.
fuck yeah, dude, learn how to cook, dude.
I think men should not. Like I know how to cook. I think
They
all men
say
should know how to
that
cook.
like the world's best chefs are men.
Yeah. I mean, the world's anything best is men.
Okay. Yeah. I agree though. Men. I don't want to get in trouble. Recently,
You can't get in trouble. You're a woman. I'll get in trouble.
I also get in trouble.
For what?
From other women who will attack me saying, how can you say women are
Oh,
dumb?
you're a pick me.
Huh?
You'll be a
I'm
pick me.
not a pick me. Those women will be pick me saying, how can you say women are dumb? And how can you say women? I'm not saying women are dumb.
Yeah, but that's a pick me thing, right? To say women are dumb.
Yeah, but I'm not saying that. I'm just saying I agree. That's not pick me. I don't want your validation.
I don't know about all of this. You have your own opinion.
Okay, what is
Why
your
do you think women are
strategy?
dumb?
What do you think women are dumb? I don't think women are dumb. I think for the most part, we're just the more trusting.
Yeah, I do think. No, I do
Gender.
think. Oh, 100%. I think women are way
Like
more.
across the board, I think we're just the more hopeful
Yes, 100%.
gender. And
Yeah.
I think that has to also go back to the fact that when we were hunter and gatherers, we all had to fear, face death on
Yeah.
every day.
Yeah,
And we had to face what if you die?
right.
So it's hopeful
Yeah.
in a way. What if you die? I mean, it's not hopeful that I hope you die, but it's like it might happen. For you, it's like ho jayega.
Huh. I will die. I'll go to hunt and I will
So,
die. Yeah.
exactly. I think
So
sometimes
it's fine. You know what? I know you're going to die. It's fine if you fuck 20 other women. Like, I forgive you.
20, yeah. 20.
I mean, 1 or 20, what difference does it make?
One? Sorry, I thought we were talking about age. Huh? No, it's okay. It's okay.
Huh?
It's okay. It's good. We're on two different wavelengths right now.
No, I think that, like, even if a man cheats and stuff, women are way more forgiving of a man. Like, okay, fine, a man can go make mistakes, and women
I
will
don't think it's
believe.
the right thing, but I think that is what
Yeah,
happens.
I don't think it's the right thing either, but I
But
think
that
that's
is what
yeah,
happens.
They are.
Women are more like, okay, you did it now.
Yeah.
Either they'll get back, or they'll be like, no, fuck you.
Yeah.
But they're like, yeah, you did it. Sucks.
Yeah. Men are more
asshole.
manipulative and like more like her.
Men will be like, burden. And all of that.
What was that? Who are you?
If a fucking girl cheats on his guy, he'll be like, all that will happen, no?
I mean, is that not valid?
No?
If a girl cheats on me,
No one will cheat on you. See, as the more hopeful faith, whatever
I'm saying, let's say
species, I'm saying, if she cheats and you do,
yeah, I'll be like, listen, please stop off. That's all.
you say please. At least you're saying please.
No, I won't say please, obviously. I'll be like,
Kindly.
Gaad mara post.
This will be bleeped out. What is your stance on censorship on this channel?
See, I kind of censor F words and all,
Oh,
but I think that's just again for advertisers.
Okay.
I don't mind saying it. You can say anything on the channel. That's fine.
yeah. Okay. It's just I don't want to make your editing difficult. Beep, beep,
I'll
beep,
keep it
beep,
at
beep.
whatever. There are many worse things.
I mean, I forgot what we were having.
You're having the Hell's Lager.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Very hoppy. Not as grainy.
Hmm.
I'm not getting much of banana and clove, honestly.
I'm not getting banana at all. Clove though is duri ki baat.
I think it's slightly fruity, yeah. And I guess
Yeah, but it's not
slightly
banana
spicy.
sweet.
Yeah.
Like it's not banana stuff, like whatever.
Yeah, do not expect a Hefeweizen out of this. It's not a Hefeweizen.
Yeah.
It is a very hoppy, florally, and again not too bitter at all.
Yeah, bitter is not at all.
And I don't know about the pairing with the pretzel, but
I liked it. I ate it pretty quickly. I ate it like 5 minutes. So.
but something salty again with your beers, which is always
Yeah.
good.
Yeah, this I quite like. Pretty solid selection of beers here.
Yeah, I think you know.
Like, I've been enjoying everything so
Yeah, if
far.
you're in Bombay, come to Stamba.
Yeah.
The hospitality is very nice.
Yeah, the people here are really
People are very nice.
The space itself is huge, first of
Yeah.
all. I think we'll do some.
But it's
video
great.
and all.
Uh,
Yeah, the washrooms say handsome and beautiful. That's
Beautiful
the-
is for the guys, handsome is for the girls.
Yeah, fuck yeah, dude, look at me. I look so handsome today and you look so beautiful.
My little
Strokes t-shirt.
Strokes t-shirt.
Yeah. Okay, am I ready to chug? I mean, dude, I think
can
the
do it.
main issue is the thanda. If it was like, is room temperature beer a thing?
It has to be chill.
As a rule of thumb, do all beers need to be chill?
Yeah, they chill not only the beer but also the glass.
Okay.
Like they properly.
That I've seen
Yeah.
before, but these glasses, I don't think.
No, the glass, but the beer is chill, which is good.
Okay. Cheers.
Remember, we are not alcoholics. We are just doing this for you guys.
Oh, I took like 3.5 sips. Yeah, the cold is my problem. I think you should really like have a sound meter here or something. And then the burp, you should show the wavelength.
But like the sound meter is not. I'll have to do it on my own. There's no app that does it for me.
I'm sure. Okay, I'll spend the better half of today trying to figure
when
out.
when I edit the videos, there'll be a sound meter
Hmm.
on the side.
Well, that was sip and smash.
What happened?
I just slipped out of my hand, dude.
It's fine. It's fine.
I wish I was drunk.
You're not drunk.
No, I wish I was. That would have made this a little
Fine.
more forgiving. Lovely.
I guess that's the chug.
Now I can jog it. Okay. I'm going to have to profusely apologize for this now. Oh, it's all over the floor.
It's fine. It's okay.
Has an accident ever happened
No.
on this channel?
No.
Oh, this is the first for every time.
I mean, no, it's happened in when I did at home. Yes.
No, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. वो हाथ से थोड़ा फिसल गया.
At home, basically, these are the bottled beers.
Okay.
It basically, it was very fizzy, and I crack it open, and it's
Oh, but that's not.
Yeah.
That's an accident on you. Sorry. Arey, I'm so sorry. I feel really bad now. I'm not even drunk, dude. I wish.
I wish we did this when we were drunk.
Yeah, no, because then it would be like, ये तो बेवड़े लोग हैं, मतलब कर रहे हैं अपना. I'm तो fully होशो हवास में. I have just, dude, literally, I raised it and I just dropped it. Okay, anyway.
And it's all like we were talking about burp meters and all of that.
Please, I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
मेरा थोड़ा condensation तो हाथ से फिसल गया थोड़ा.
ये आपके लिए है ना.
अरे फिर भी I'm so sorry.
Condensation.
I'm telling you, it fully swept from my hand. Thank you. Okay, but
Can I check it?
yes, please. Thank you. This will happen later. What is it again? Banana clove, so didn't get.
Yeah. Very hoppy. You got the hoppy, the floral.
What is you're saying hoppy? I'm still trying to figure out what hoppy means.
Like when you drank it, did you get this real floral
Oh yeah,
kind of
yeah.
that
for
was just
sure.
hops.
I mean, it wasn't that. I tasted something that wasn't what I wouldn't call fruity. So I
Yeah,
guess
no,
floral
it's
is the thing.
which
Okay,
you won't
fine,
taste in
cool.
any other beer yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's way more floral. So again, when they brew beer, if they put hops at the start,
Okay.
then it becomes bitter. But
Okay.
they put hops at the end, like as a finish,
Gotcha.
and it becomes more floral, and the aromas and the flavor changes a bit.
I liked it and all, but would I do it again?
I mean,
Like, I don't know. Like, I'm okay with it. This is like a 53 for me.
really, I think I like this beer the best
Okay.
because I like hoppy beers.
Okay.
I like these, I think it was way more like it's truer. To like guess what a hoppy beer is supposed to be.
Okay.
So it's actually great.
So this is what?
I think I'll give this the Hell's Lager a good 77.
Oh wow.
I think I like this the most out of any.
53, I
I mean,
said.
it depends on the person, right? Yeah, everyone.
No,
might not
I
like the
understand
flavor.
that it's subjective,
Yeah.
but it can't be that subjective.
It's fine.
Yeah, but again, my baseline is Kingfisher Ultra.
That's
So-
just a bad baseline.
No, I don't know, like, how to say. I liked the. I'm intrigued. This is banana clove. I'm not getting that.
No, you're not getting that. So I
you
think
know, now that I've
that's
dropped
only.
it, I'm smelling something. Unless that's
No, that's the phenyl.
Eliza.
Eliza. Yeah, there's no banana. I mean, that's the only thing I'll say. But I'm not taking it away from them. People can say whatever
My
they want
nose is a
about it.
little blocked, but does it smell banana?
No, it doesn't. That's what I'm saying. It doesn't matter what people say about their beers. The taste test is completely different. I like someone might say our beer is bad, but if I taste it and it tastes good to me, I'll give it a good score.
But it's like it is. There is a sweetiness to it. Is the sweetiness the hoppy? The hoppy, yes.
I don't know what the rate about.
It's like slightly sweetish,
Yeah.
but it's not
No,
sweet
that's
in
grains.
the rest of the
it's-
previous ones
it's
have been.
grains. I don't think there's any sugar.
Okay.
There's slight grain, like bitter and hoppy. It's nice. I like
I
these.
like
I like these kinds of beers.
I
Anyway,
think I stand by my 53.
that's fine. Stambh, Hell's Lager, 77. I gave 77, right?
You gave it a
77 out of.
Yeah. Cheers.
Guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe. And if there's some special beer you'd like to recommend, leave it in the comments section below. I'm going to try to hit every canned beer and every craft beer locally at first, and then beers all around the world. So thanks for joining me. Have a good day.